So recently the Honorable Supreme Court has granted interim protection from arrest to podcaster Ranvir Allahabadia, also known as Beer Biceps, in cases related to remarks made on his YouTube show India's Got Latent. A bench of Justices Suryakant and N. Koteshwar Singh imposed strict conditions barring him and his associates from posting content on social media and directing him to surrender his passport. These restrictions contradict previous Supreme Court rulings against conditions that excessively curtail personal liberty during interim relief. Now, how is interim relief granted? See, there are no fixed legal conditions for granting interim relief in criminal cases. Courts assess mainly three factors. The first is flight risk, the likelihood of the accused absconding from the country. Second is the intimidation of witnesses, the apprehension that the accused may threaten witnesses. And the third is tampering with evidence, the possibility that interim relief could enable the accused to interfere with the investigation. So while granting the interim relief, courts may impose conditions like passport submission, high bail bonds, and mandatory police apprehensions, but have warned against overly restrictive measures. In Satyendra Kumar Antil vs CBI case, the Supreme Court has ruled that impractical bail conditions defeat the very purpose of release. Moreover, in Frank Whitus vs NCB case, the Supreme Court has struck down a bail condition requiring an accused to share their Google Map location PIN, calling it an unconstitutional privacy violation under Article 21. Why was Allahabadia booked? Mainly multiple FIRs were registered against him in Maharashtra, Assam and Rajasthan under several Indian acts which include Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the IT Act 2000 and the Indecent Representation of Women Act 1986 for allegedly promoting obscenity and explicit discussions. So seeking protection from arrest, he approached the Supreme Court under Article 32, which allows the enforcement of fundamental rights. Now the Supreme Court often consolidates multiple FIRs or allows investigations under single FIR to prevent harassment and legal overload on accused. In Pratik Bansal vs State of Rajasthan case, the Supreme Court has denounced multiple FIRs for the same offence as state machinery abuse. Another argument that arises here is, does the social media ban violate the free speech? The Supreme Court's ban on Allahabadia airing content amounts to prior restraint. It is mainly a preventive restriction on speech, generally considered impermissible. In 2021, the Supreme Court stayed a Kerala High Court bail condition that prevented Rihanna Fatima from posting on social media. Similarly, in Alt News co-founder Mohammad Jubair's case, the Supreme Court rejected Uttar Pradesh government's request to prohibit him from tweeting, arguing it would create a chilling effect on free speech. Thus, the social media ban on Allahabadia raises concern over free speech and professional rights, making it a significant case in Indian legal discourse. What are your views on this? Please comment. Thank you.